Navigating the web portal. Okay, let's get you familiarized with the web portal for signage. This tutorial will guide you through the basic elements of the web portal. This is the home screen where you manage your signage content. If you have a login from multiple sites, you can select the site you want to manage from the drop-down menu on the left. Just select which site you want to manage. The three main sections in the portal are Home, Events, and Admin. The Content Management panel is on the right side of the home screen. Here, we manage the content library for the entire site. Above the Content Management panel, you can select the icon to change the language used in the web portal. Just select from the list. Let's have a deeper look at the Content Management panel, starting with the Images tab. Here, we can manage all of the photos and images on the site. The thumbnail checkbox allows us to turn on and off the thumbnail view. All uploaded videos are stored under the Video tab and will be automatically converted for smooth playback. Templates can be managed under the Templates tab, and any playlists will be stored under the Playlists tab. And finally, any playlists made by external publishers will be made available under the Channels tab. If you would like to have a quick preview of live content running on a specific screen, just hover over the screen and select the small preview icon. You can shut the preview by selecting the X on the top right. You can also see the technical information and device status of any individual screen. Simply hover over the top right of the screen within a schedule and click on the Settings icon. To close this view, just select the back arrow. Let's have a closer look at the Events tab. This is where you book your events into the locations using a calendar overview, for example, meeting room bookings. During the initial setup, this section is where you configure screens and locations for use in your wayfinding solution. You can set up overview screens guiding people to the locations, as well as configuring the door sign screens at the locations. If your site is connected to a third-party booking solution, it is also configured here. The admin area is where you can get an overview of all your connected screens and their technical information. You can see all users that have access and the role they have assigned, and importantly, view a log of all user activities.